Hey, Adam Prey here, Auburn Cord Duesenberg Company. Again, man, we've got something special here today, man. I'm totally geeked out today about this. This is one of the finest American automobiles ever built. This is a Duesenberg. For those of you know, right? They say if you know, you know. This is a Duesenberg. I mean, just a super iconic car, special car. Just not very many of them. They're rare, and you know we always love it when we get one of these in the shop. And so I wanted you guys to get a first look of it. We just got it out of the trailer today. It was just delivered today. So it's had a restoration started on it, but not completed, obviously. And so we're going to do a lot of work to complete it, kind of bring it through to the finish line. So it needs interior and top. It's going to need all new wiring harness, you know, locating some gauges, different things that we'll need to do. Most of the chassis work, engine work is done. Obviously, we'll be doing a lot of testing and you know, those kinds of things as well. It needs brakes. It needs, you know, miscellaneous things. It's going to need some paint repair at this point. But man, really just an iconic car. We're super happy to have it in here, even if it's not in here too terribly long. Still love getting them in the shop. Anytime you get a car this special, this significant, it's a big deal. And so just happy to see it here. Hopefully you guys get a good look at it today in the state that we get it in, and then you know, we'll be doing some updates in the future so you can track the progress and see it you know, come to life again, get it back on the road or at the show, whatever the case may be. But this is Duesenberg. It's the J engine. Is how these engines or how these cars are tracked and how, you know, people keep up with them and identify them. This is J543. So for those of you that track that and follow that, and this body is a Legrand body. As they call it, a dual cowl Phaeton. So it has the two cowls, one cowl here and one for the passengers in the back seat. So like a limousine type of vibe, but this would have been the premier car in the day. And you know, still, like I said, is one of the most iconic American cars ever built. So it's a joy to have it in the shop, to get it in here. So you know, take a look at it, and hopefully we'll get you some good views of it here as we get it, as you know, the condition that we found it here in the shop. But happy to have it here.